Boys, hold on, I gotta...
There's a small chance, though, it was Brock and Vanoss, and Brock did that kill, but I don't think so, but there's a small chance.
Dude, you watched me fucking do leaves.
Come on, Jesus Christ.
You watched me do leaves, you idiot. What
I'm scanning my card right now.
You got this, Anthony.
Just work!
Oh, Scotty!
Oh!
Help me, run! My house is on fire! Help me!
The vent. Come here.
Hey, getting footage is more important than saving your house.
Excuse me?
Stop beeping, you're good.
I didn't see the fucking cameras on. I don't
I saw
know.
them on at one point, but...
Oh, great.
How could
Why are you smoking so much kush?
Distraction!
Maybe because his pants are on fire.
Get him out! Get him out!
Pants on fire.
Please, be in. This is the best clip ever. Please be in.
I really hope that's correct.
Please.
Scotty, 100%.
I knew it was Grizzy.
Vanoss.
I
Someone
never
hopped
go to
out of the
lights
vent
first.
in med bay.
Okay, well, somebody's played and strategized.
It's not even strategy, it's just I die like that all the... Jesus Christ!
Uh-oh.
Let's
Pants
get
on
this, boys.
fire.
Who's dying?
he is lying.
You good?
You're gonna do that joke again, Moo.
That's a lie detector.
when this
That's a
happened, so-
lie detector.
Don't mind that, guys. It's just my girlfriend cooking. That's what I said last time!
Wait a minute. Why is his girlfriend cooking for you?
Am I actually getting voted right now?
I really hope someone flips.
Reverse or do the crazy move.
Please?
Ultimate
Reverse.
reverse. I don't know. Just reverse for the hell of it.
It's a little early for dinner, Wildcat.
Reverse with who, though?
Doesn't matter.
Oh,
my
there
God!
you
Why are we even playing this reverse side? I bet was he a reverse?
go. Yeah, that probably cancels the reverse.
Oh
my god! And I figured I'd head to reverse!
And we at least get the deets to what she was cooking?
Oh my days. I'm never, ever gonna get content. Through all day, every day.
Don't play dumb.
Don't play dumb. Why is Wildcat? Wildcat is so salty, bro.
Bro, I know Wildcat is enjoying this gameplay. That's all I
He's
know.
not.
There's
He's
a
not
ghost right
enjoying
beside
it.
us. He's like,
better than
wow.
Wildcat.
Yeah, okay, we're way better than you,
Arcadie's better
Wildcat.
than
We're way better than you.
If I have to watch another game
Who
like
was
that,
the
I'm actually just
reverser?
never f***ing playing on these
Ethan
Monday
was, and
sessions
then
ever
give it to
again.
someone else.
Holy dude, go f***ing be a solo YouTuber if you want to waste 7 other people's f***ing time.
Look, dude, I've been first so many times. Let me have my fun, dude. Suck it.
You're f***ing
Nobody
garbage.
had fun.
I had fun. I had
I'm
fun.
sure you did. It's all about you.
No, what do you mean? It's clearly you're the one with being egocentric, bro. You rage quit because you got voted off for kill.
Hey guys, I
Look
got
at the
science
logic I got
scan.
voted off for. I lied because I didn't want to go to lights to die. Guess how I died
You're
this
the
round?
only
You
one.
f***.
Dude, salt.
Holy f***.
Right. It's not. So he's